This is the secret of the seamstresses to thread the needle and never make a mistake. It is very common that as the years go by, the vision is lost a bit, and it is a bit difficult to things such as reading or sewing. So if you are one of the people with problems with threading the needle, do not worry, since today, want to teach you an infallible trick to thread the needle without any difficulty, doing it well, of the time and using only one sheet of paper. This trick was taught to me by my aunt, since she is a seamstress, and she gave me the secret that I tell you now. The first thing we will do is get a notebook. Now we are going to remove a sheet. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Cristina Mejia from El Salvador. Thanks for enjoying each tip. Now with the help of a scissor, we are going to cut a piece. With this size, it will be more than enough. Next, we are going to fold this sheet in half. Once this is done, we are going to take the thread that we want to thread, and we are going to pass right in the middle of the folded sheet, as I show you on the screen. We are going to press the edges a little and leave it like this. We press a little with our fingers, and now with the help of a scissor, we are going to cut. You have to cut the thread along with the paper just the way I show you. Now we are going to take a needle and pass it here. It is much easier to pass the thread when we use paper, and now you will realize why I say so. Pay attention. First, we hold and pass the tip firmly. When this has passed, we scratch the paper. You will notice that the thread went through and entangled the needle. Now we are just going to remove the rest of the paper. And as you can see, it has worked very well. The best thing about this trick is that it works with even smaller needles. Here I have another needle with the smallest hole, and so that you can see that it works in all, we will repeat the process. So if you have any questions, pay attention so that you can do it when you need it. Remember, the first step is to put the thread in the middle of the sheet and hold it a little. Then you must pass the edge of the paper through the hole in the needle. And the last step is to scratch the sheet, pass the thread, and take the tip. From today, your hand will not tremble again when you thread the needle. If you got this far, leave me the phrase. I already know how to thread it. So I'll know you stayed until the end. And if this advice was useful, remember to get it to someone who could help you.